Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is October the 7th, 2021 Ethereum price prediction. This is going to be our Ethereum price analysis. We're trying to see whether or not Ethereum is able or can it make all-time highs as we go throughout the rest of 2021. So we got 3 months, right, to see the price in Ethereum try to attempt to make all-time highs. Now, before I talk about that, before I talk about our last price prediction and what price has done against it, if you guys want to tap in with me, welcome to the channel. This is HFN, also known as HueFin News, the spot to where we give you all the news according to the charts and nothing else. So if you guys want to learn more, if you guys just want to be updated on our videos whenever we upload them, make sure you follow us. Hit the like button, share, subscribe, tap that bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss out on any of our content that we are garnering here on this platform. So check it, look at it. What do y'all think? We did a price prediction in Ethereum on the 25th of September, right? We did. And we expected the market to go down, but it really didn't do it. You guys can already tell that the price in Ethereum, instead of going down, it went up. Okay, cool. We didn't get this one right. I know you all like to tag me in the comments and act like, well, you didn't get this one right. Of course, I'm not expecting us to get every price prediction correct. And when we don't get it correct, we can utilize it as a learning experience so that we can be better predictors going forward. So let's do it right now. We were expecting the market in Ethereum to go down, right? We were. So as this price continued to trade outside of us doing our price prediction following, you can really tell how the price in Ethereum, let me show you, was holding its support area right around this vicinity right here, right? Like $2,782. This is where the market was really hugging. Like, this is where the buyers congregated and came in and propped up the price. Look how many days it did it. So as we saw this price trade out from when we did our price prediction, we should have been taking note. Okay, we're seeing some indications of weakness appearing, but every time the market comes down to $2,780, it gets supported. So what in the world does that mean? It means that people are buying. It is what it is. So as you saw that process continue from September 25th, 6th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, you should have said, all right, the market is really upholding this price at 27.80. So we need to make sure that we come through, and maybe we might need to cut it. And then the answer really came through right here on October the 1st, where we got that massive spread moving higher price. This was the indication that we didn't get the price prediction right. So in order to minimize those losses, that's when you should have came and said, yeah, I'm gonna cut it. The market is still showing us that it's strong. So the expectation is still for this price to continue to go up. That's 12.5%, right? So 12.5% is a better reduction in loss than if you were to get out today. Look at this, 12.5% versus 21. So this is how you're able to minimize losses as well, because even though our expectation was for the price in Ethereum to come down, it didn't do it. We continue to saw the strength on October the 1st. We just say, yeah, let me cut it right there. So lesson learned. The trap got us on that one. He beat us on that particular play. We expected it to go down. He brought the market up. Cool. But now that still gives us more information, because since he supported the price in Ethereum at $2,782, we know that the market is strong there. And the market is still being supported and it is still being lifted. So what do you think? Currently, are you expecting the market to continue to go up in price, or are you expecting it to continue to go down? All right. So let's see. Because as the title read, can we see the price in Ethereum hit all-time highs relatively soon? We should be able to see that on a longer term time frame. So let's switch this thing out. So this is the 3-day time frame into the market in Ethereum, and I don't care what anyone says. Anyone, I don't care. As long as this price in Ethereum is able to maintain this ascending line, right? We're going to continue to see this price go up forever into perpetuity. It doesn't even matter as long as price holds this ascending line. So we're golden so far in understanding that the long-term view in Ethereum is, yeah, higher price, because we're still keeping in track with the trend. Now, from a 3-day perspective, I want you all to see this too, because the last 2 completed 3-day price bars, we're still seeing indications that this market in Ethereum is strong. We're still seeing it, right? And we need to see that. in order for us to continue to trek higher in price. Now, we got some areas, okay? We are now approaching some areas to where the market in Ethereum got hung up. Okay, 4,000. We're even seeing a restriction area right here. Boom. So we got like two problems that is in the way of Ethereum making all-time highs. Now, the trap, he's trying to break out the first problem now. He's trying to get that one out the way so that the market can continue to trek to $3,800 to $4,000. He's still trying to do that right now. All right. Now, there's no guarantee that he'll be able to break $3,600 to the upside. There's no guarantee. But based off what occurred the last couple of 3-day price bars, it looked like it might be successful. Okay. So now, since I pinpointed where those problem areas are on the price chart, we got $3,600 first. Then the next area is going to be right there towards $3,900 to $4,000. So as we do this price prediction, we will already be prepared for the market in Ethereum to get rejected at one, $3,600, and then two, $3,900, $4,000. So we won't be surprised when the market comes down 10% in Ethereum when it hits $3,900. We won't be surprised because we already expected it. This is why this is so powerful in reading price charts. So this is the weekly time frame into the market in Ethereum, and so far I'm still looking for this market to go up, right? Look at this. Look at the last completed weekly price bar. Yeah, we did go down in Ethereum last week. We sure did. But we was able to capitalize off that weakness and see the market close at the high. What does it mean? It simply means that the buyers came into the market and they overcame the sellers. Because if they didn't, then the price wouldn't have closed up there at the high. But they did. Even right now in this current weekly price bar, we're still seeing that sellers are still present. But as of this particular moment, the buyers are still dominating this market. People still are coming into the market for Ethereum and buying up this currency. Plain and simple. All right. Now, 3 weeks time frame. Look at this on the 5 weeks. See that? All this simply means that the market is trying to overcome the selling. So now let me run the price prediction. Okay. Now, $3,600 is a problem. We're trading at $3,577 right now. That's not far. But given what we've seen on the weekly perspective, I'm going to expect the market in Ethereum to try to come up here initially around $3,750, $3,800. Okay, I am. That's my first spot for us to come in and eat out the market. Okay. Second, like I said, will be around $3,900 to $4,000 for Ethereum. Okay. So now, this is it. As long as the price in Ethereum is able to really maintain itself above $3,000, maybe even $3,100, the market is still anticipated to go up. Now, we don't want the price to come down because if it does, then we know it's going to be longer for the market to hit that $3,900 price level. So if we ever see price go down, we understand, okay, it's going to be a while. It might be a long process to keep the soldiers on the battlefield to bring back the bread. It might be a longer time. That's it. But based off what we've seen so far on the chart, in Ethereum, we are expecting the market to go up in price, especially what I'm seeing right there on the 2 weeks time frame. Okay. So now, bring this out further because as we go throughout the rest of 2021, the demand into the market in Ethereum is still being revealed. So let me bring this back. And that's it. I want to know though, like, what is your expectations into the market for Ethereum? I'm going to bring it all the way up there close to the all-time highs too. You guys seen our TP areas? TP simply means to take the bag, take profit in the market for Ethereum. So now I want to know, what are you noticing on the price chart for yourself? Call the markets with me. Tell me right now, what is your expectations going forward for the rest of 2021 in the market for Ethereum? Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.